YouTube. I have a question. Uh, Hopefully there's some hunters out there that will help me out with this. Please like and subscribe and comment on this video, please, because I need answers. I got this a long time ago at a yard sale. I think it was a yard sale. No, it was a pawn shop. The guy at the pawn shop didn't have any idea on any info on this thing. I do know that it needs a new string because the one that's on there is really, really loose. It just flops in the wind. But I don't know very much about it at all. And I don't know if you'll be able to get very much detail because of the lighting in my room sucks. But it is a crossbow. As you can see, the string is extremely loose. But it has, oh yeah, let's see, here. Get a little extra light up here. It's like this right here. It has a caution sticker on one side and a rubbed off warning sticker on the other. But I have no idea what kind of crossbow this is. What kind of, it says it's supposed to use bolts. But this part of it is metal, but the rest of it is plastic. I need to find out what kind of crossbow it is, where in northwest Arkansas that I could take it and get it fixed fairly cheap, and get it fixed up to where if I am able to somehow go hunting one of these years, or if I just decide to fix it up and give it to my son one of these days, I will be able to do that. Because he likes shooting things with his BB gun, and I figured if my back will not permit me, well, see, I know I can't pull a bow back anymore. I don't know. I don't want to mess with this and try to pull this back and lock it in because I don't have any bolts for it yet. Or I don't even know what size or what I should get for it. But it was fairly cheap, and it was my birthday and I was really liking it, so my wife said, "It's yours for your birthday." So she got it for me for my birthday. See, I mean, this thing is so loose, you can take it off, take the string off of it with not a lick a bit of problems. I've had it off before, see? I mean, it just comes right off. I had a bow a long time ago. It was a black bear, I think it was. No, a white-tailed too. I think that's what it was. But it somehow disappeared. I have no idea where it went. But that's a whole nother story. I got to get that fixed, and I also have, just wait 1 second. Let's go. This dude, it is a pellet gun, spring air, actually, it's spring barrel, I think is what they call it. You just pop it open, pull this down and cock it, put your pellet in here. But the sealant thingy, or what they call it, it's a rubber thing that goes down in there. I have not been able to find that either to get this fixed. But some of the videos that I've seen online on YouTube said it's a Chinese rifle, Chinese air rifle. But I can't figure out any place around here to get this fixed. And this thing is heavy. I bet you this thing weighs 20 or 30 pounds. If anybody out there in YouTube land can give me some hints on where to take this stuff, or how I could fix it myself, it would be very much appreciated. Once again, I will leave the link to my son's GoFundMe account in the description. And please like and share it. Even if you don't feel like donating, share it on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, any place you can think of that might find somebody out there that can help give my son Christmas presents. Thank you for that. And if anybody out there has old stuff like this that you don't want anymore, and you don't think you can sell it, or you just want to be nice, like fishing poles, fishing stuff. I love fishing stuff. I've been trying to enter some of these contests to win a bait caster reel, but I don't think I'll win one of those because I never win anything. I've never had a bait caster. I don't even know how to use them, but I would like to learn. Anything else I want to talk about? That's about it. Just send me a message. I can send you my address, where to send stuff, or if you're close enough, and if I have the gas money, I'll just come pick it up. But yeah, I live in northwest Arkansas, a little town called Maysville. Y'all hit me up, send me a message. One of these days I'll get some subs and start making this YouTube thing work for me. But until then, I guess I'll just keep making these videos. And the hat of the day is Cub Cadet, and yes, it is yellow along with my shirt. Y'all have a great day. God bless, and get her done.